Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Today we are going to go ahead and harvest our ginger. Look at it. So I already began harvesting it earlier, and I just want to show you guys what I have. This is my very first time trying to grow it, so yay! Okay, so we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about this ginger. We're gonna talk about it. Look at that root. Beautiful, right? We're gonna talk about it. So you see, that's a shoot. This is a long root. Do you think that I'm not gonna just break this off and try to regrow it? Yeah, sure is. That's gonna be a whole new plant. That's what we're gonna do with this little piece of ginger right here. And there's another shoot right there coming as well. So we definitely gonna put this back in the ground. This is what they say. This is what they mean actually by having ginger to grow forever. Yes, this is what they mean. Take your plant and replant it, because as you see, the stalk hasn't even grown yet like these have over here. So we're gonna just replant this. Same thing with this one over here. I'm probably just gonna break it off. Now the stalk, they say is good for teas and stuff like that. So we just gonna see. I haven't had it before, but I'm gonna try to see. It does have the ginger smell, so it might be good for tea. I'm gonna grow this as well again. So a lot of these have some very, very nice root systems. And I think because this one is still growing and I only have one piece, what I'm gonna do is just strip it of all the parts that's actually turning brown and make it look new again. And put this piece back in the ground. Sure is. I don't know if you could do it or not. We're just gonna try it, because I don't see why you can't. Just beautiful. The ones that we can keep, we're gonna keep, and the ones that we think we're gonna try to regrow, we just gonna do that. It's a nice little piece of ginger right there for tea. I'll set that one to the side. This is my first time growing ginger. I do know that it's easy to grow. I'm just showing you guys what I did with my grow. Uh-oh, that broke off. But yeah, I'm gonna take this little piece right here. Uh-oh, I broke it. It's okay, we'll just keep it. But I just wanted to show you guys, look at, for my first time. Let's get it, Felicia. This is huge. This is huge, guys. I'm definitely gonna take this piece off because that's a new one coming as well. But I know y'all don't really watch my longer videos, but this one's gonna be worth it, I'm telling you. And this is a piece of ginger that I had in there that didn't even sprout yet, so this definitely going back in there. Yup. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go through this one next. If you're still watching my video, thank you for sticking around with me. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing. It's my first time, so I'm very excited about doing this, guys. It's like digging for a treasure. I'm not just doing it with this knife because I don't want to like dig too deep. I just want to move the dirt around just a little bit so I can dig it out by hand, of course. I'm not trying to break anything off if there is a lot of ginger in here, like I think there is in this one.